Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube shorts, welcome to my YouTube channel, my parallel universe. And for today, I'll share to you the product that I received today that I ordered in Shopee. This is from F&M, the Crazy Fishman, Tcfm, the Crazy Fishman. It's an Eco Plus soil, creates healthy aquarium ecosystem for plants, shrimps, and fish. This is an aquarium soil, or what they call an aqua soil. And this is an 8 liter aqua soil, everyone. Just want to share this to you, and have a great day.